Hi, friends. For reading today, we are going to learn about the letter X. Can you say X? X. Very good. So we're going to learn about the letter X. We're going to learn how to write it, what sound it makes, and some words that start with the letter X. So X makes the X sound, the X sound. Or sometimes it just says X. So let's go over how to write the letter X. So for your capital X, you're going to start at the top and go slant down, lift up, slant down, lift up. So again, that's start at the top, slant down, lift up, slant down, lift up. Very good. And for our lowercase x, it's the same thing, only instead of starting at the solid line, you're starting at the dotted line. So slant down, lift up, slant down. So again, that was start at the dotted line, slant down, lift up, slant down, lift up. Very good. And we are going to review that at the end of our lesson with our worksheet that we have in our packet. So since we're getting towards the end of the school year and the end of the alphabet, friends, this is our last Soundbox book. It's X, Y, and Z. So we're going to hear about the letter X, Y, and Z. But today we're just talking about X. Little X had a box. I will find things that begin with my letter, he said. I will put them into my sound box. Little X found an X-ray machine. Excellent, said little X. With my X-ray machine, I can see inside things. I will take an X-ray of my hands. This is the X-ray picture. Excellent, he said. Now see, the word excellent does not start with X. Sounds like it does, but it has the E in front of it, but it does have an X in it. The X-ray shows the bones in my hands. He put the X-ray picture into his sound box. I will take an X-ray of my feet, he said. This is the X-ray picture. Excellent, said little X. The X-ray shows the bones in my feet. Then he put the X-ray picture and the X-ray machine into his sound box. He said, now I will call my friend little Y. I will see if he has a sound box. I do, said little Y. I will find something that begins with my Y sound. I will put it into my sound box. Little Y found a yo-yo. It was a yellow yo-yo. He tried to make the yo-yo go up and down, but the string was too short. Little Y found some yarn. He tied it into the string. He said, now I will call my friend little Z and see if she has a sound box. I do, said little Z. I will find things that begin with my Z sound. I will put them into my sound box. She found a zebra and another zebra and another zebra. So she's got 1, 2, 3 zebras. Little Z caught the 3 zebras and tried to put them into the box. I will catch you, zippity zebras, cried little Z, and she did. Then she took the zebras to the zoo. So we had some words for X. We had X-ray and we had excellent. On your worksheet gives you a different word that starts with X that we did not learn about. There's X-ray, because see, it's a picture of bones, but this is a xylophone. Can you say xylophone? xylophone. See, and there's the word xylophone, and it starts with the letter X. So I need you to trace your big X and your little x, your capital and lowercase x, color your xylophone, color your X-ray, then you can color your X's, and then you are going to trace your capital X's and then write some capital X's, trace some lowercase x's, and write some lowercase x's. So let's review that before we end our lesson today, friends. So what we're going to do is for your capital X, you start up at this top solid line and you slant down, lift up, slant down. Very good. So again, that's at the top line, slant down, lift up, slant down. And then for your lowercase x, you just start at the dotted line. So then that's just slant down, lift up, slant down. And that's how you write the letter X. Thank you so much for joining me, friends.